Ayan, beautiful people. Practice lang natin tong song na ito. Can't be with you tonight. Ayan, sana'y maikawid natin ang awiting ito. Sana ay uh, kayanin ng ating boses ang awiting ito. Para sa inyo, beautiful people, if my love wasn't here with me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while. But I love him the same way as I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight.